This isn't first class. This is beyond class. Introducing the Boeing Business Jet 777X, the world's largest, longest-range private jet. With next-gen wings that fold, it fits in standard airports, but flies in a league of its own. Inside, up to 3,700 square feet of airborne luxury. Lounges, bedrooms, boardrooms, even a spa, 40,000 feet up, a non-stop range of over 11,000 nautical miles. New York to Sydney, no layovers, no limits. Driven by GE9X engines, flown with precision, designed for leaders who don't wait in lines. BBJ 777, when flying isn't transport, it's a statement.